Good stuff.
It's a
Jerk pork. I'm from Boston jerk pork. And this is similar. 10 to Boston jerk pork. I can attest.
I'm not gonna lie. You see this shrimp? Oh my god, this jerk shrimp. Ah.
How are you?
How you doing, boss?
Fine. Quick question.
Yeah.
I saw you sampling some food earlier.
Yeah.
What's the why should people come out to the Great Jerk Festival?
Because of the nice Jamaican cuisine, and you know, say the whole of the food them turn up. You know what I mean? Especially Fortis, Island Breeze over there, so the food them amazing. You know what I mean?
And your name, sir?
Skip the line.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about you, beautiful lady? How are you enjoying yourself so far?
I had a good time.
And what about the food that you tried today? How was it?
It was actually good, and so I tried the jerk chicken, I tried oxtail, I tried the jerk pork from Fortis was really good. I want to go back and get another.
You should. Alright. And what else?
There's they have a rum and raisin pudding. So good. You should try it.
Right. And your name?
Celine.
Big respect.
Get ready now. Third festival is confirmed. Christopher Martin on the 31st. Raw Wilkins Park. Turn it up. Hold up for the third festival. I'm telling you.
Version Prince Jammy style.
On the 31st, it's not gonna be normal. Paula J will be gracing the stage and on a normal settings. Big up to all of the listeners, Reggae King Radio, Red Hot Radio. This is how we do it. Let's go.